Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Nadula, and this is the unit, guys. No, I must point out the pre-plucking and the parting is so slick, but this unit is their 13x4 HD real scalp pre everything water wave. So you see that curly texture, and so it's pre-cut, it's pre-parted, it's pre-bleached. You can see that center parting. So definitely love that. It does feature a real scalp, so you do not need a wig cap with this at all to get that natural look. It has a removable band, but it also has the invisible drawstring. I love this feature. So that is how you would secure your wig, and with the invisible drawstring, it's friendly for all head shapes, all heads, so it will fit every head really, and make it look invisible. So you can see here that just putting the wig on my head, the lace is looking like it's melted, even though I've literally done nothing to it. I also love the cap that they use because it's breathable. So once I put it on my head, as I said, I don't need a wig cap or anything, and it does feel ultra lightweight and just breathable. As you can see here too, you can change the part in space, a side part if you wish. And this is just how I secure the drawstring. I draw it, and then I secure it with the little knob, and then I tuck it under, and I'm good to go with doing my install. So all I'm going to be doing is using my foaming lotion and put that on the edges of the where the lace is cut, and then work that into the hair and then tie that down. And guys, the link to the unit will be in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. So now let's begin working on these curls. So first I'm just using my water in my spray bottle, just water, nothing added, and I spray that in just to get the hair wet. And once you get the hair wet, it just makes it easier to work with. So our goal right now is to just redefine these curls. So I'm doing it in sections, as you guys can see here, and then I'm adding some mousse. I love to squeeze out the mousse because it looks so yummy. But yeah, I'm just adding the mousse to the unit, and then what I'm going to be doing is combing that through to make sure the product is evenly distributed throughout the unit. And then I'm just going to twist, because I'm going to allow this to air dry. So I'm just twisting the unit with the mousse, and what this will do is it will keep that wavy texture, but because it's air drying, it will maintain that fullness and that juiciness of the curls. So that is what I'll be doing here, and I'm just doing 4 sections. You can definitely do more, or you can do less depending on how curly you want the unit to turn out. So I kind of let that sit for a while, and now I'm removing it. Look how pretty this unit looks, guys. So pretty. Again, it's the water wave, so adding the water, the mousse just makes those curls just light and loose. But I'm also going to go in with my diffuser because I want a bit more body on these curls. So I'm going in with my diffuser to get the last bit of dryness to it and to add some volume and fullness. Now I'm adding in a little bit of sheen. So this is a finishing oil that I like to use on the unit, and I just lightly dab that on the ends and to the top of the hair just to give it that nice look. But look at this lace, guys. It looks so good. Now, because this is a full frontal, something optional which I'm going to be showing you today is using a little bit of lace spray just on where the ear tab is. So only that section, I spray a little bit of that lace spray on right there. I dry it down, and then I allow that to sit, because what happens is that, especially if you're out and about, you may find that area may be lifting or anything or things like that. So you just want to make sure that it's extra secure. Now this is an added step that I personally love to do with my curly wigs. I love a little baby hair, So you do not have to add it. It's not necessary. You see that the lace is perfect. It's impeccable, but it's a personal choice. So I add in baby hairs to the unit, and I'm using my concealer just to define and brighten that parting space. And that is the completed installation process. So quick, so easy, and this is the final look. Look at how pretty these curls are. I love the length of the unit, and I love the water wave. It's so bouncy and flowy. It's definitely giving me vacation vibes, right? Those loose bohemian looking curls. Very lightweight. The link to the unit will be in the description, and of course, as I said, this is a glueless installation, guys. So perfect for summer, breezy, and just flexible. So let me show you different styles that you can use. I'm a half up, half down girly, so I love to do my half up, half down, and this is perfect. I just leave out 2 little bangs at the front, use my claw clip to secure half of the hair, and then let the rest flow just like this. So that's one styling option. And then another styling option is just to clip the entire unit up, take that off, you know, your shoulders, and just to give you a fresh look. So I just use my claw clip. This is what it looks like from the back, guys. So that's it for the installation process. Thank you, Nadula, for sending this over, and I'll see you guys in the next one.